Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we're showing you how to fix bad Bluetooth sound quality on PC Windows using simple and effective methods you can try right away. Step 1. Check your device's sound settings. Right-click the volume icon in the taskbar and select Sound Settings, then More Sound Settings. From there, go to the Playback tab, find your Bluetooth device, and click Set Default if the option is available. Step 2. Double-click your Bluetooth device. If there's a spatial sound tab, open it and set it to off. Test it to see if there's any improvement. You can also try turning it on again, just in case the opposite works better for your setup. Click OK to close all windows. Step 3. In the same sound window, switch to the Recording tab. Find the microphone linked to your Bluetooth device. Right-click it and select Disable. This often improves sound quality, especially for Bluetooth headphones. Step 4. Disconnect other Bluetooth devices around you or turn off Bluetooth on nearby phones or gadgets. Some adapters support only a few devices at once, so interference can be a problem. Also, make sure your Bluetooth device is close to your PC and that your Bluetooth adapter is firmly plugged in. Step 5. Test your Bluetooth headphones or speakers on another computer or even your phone. This will help you figure out whether the problem is with the device itself or your PC settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tech solutions.